Hey guys, welcome back. So here's something a lot of people don't know about File Explorer. By default, every time you open it, the first thing you see is Recent Files, basically a list of files and folders you've opened before, which are kind of like temporary shortcuts. But honestly, most of the time, that's not what you actually want to see. What you really want is quick access to your drives, your C drive, your USB drive, your external hard disk, all of it, right when you open File Explorer. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change that setting. So every time you open File Explorer, you go straight to this PC and see all your drives immediately. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the View menu first, open File Explorer. At the top, click on View. Step 2. Open Options on the right side of that menu. You'll see an option called Options. Click on it. Step 3. Change Folder and Search Options. A small window will pop up. Click on Change Folder and Search Options. Step 4. Set. Open File Explorer to. As this PC now you'll see a new window. Look for the drop-down menu that says Open File Explorer to. Click on it, and from the list, select this PC. Step 5. Apply the changes. Once you've selected that, click Apply, then click OK. Step 6. Close and test it. Now close this window completely. Go ahead and open File Explorer again, and there you go. Now, instead of recent files, you immediately see all the drives on your computer. And that's it. Super simple trick, but it makes navigating your PC so much faster. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.